All right, now let's see the last one, concatenate and the text join. Concatenate joins two or more text string into one string, while text join joins multiple text string together with a delimiter, such as a comma or a space, between each value. And here is the formula: text join, delimiter, ignore, empty, text1, text2, etc. Unfortunately, text join will not be computed in this version of Excel, but if you have 2019 and 365, you can try it. Let's see how concatenate is performed. We have data here. Let's say we want to connect name gender and score. Okay, can come here, equal concatenate is here, and it shows text1. Text1, just click here and comma, text2 and comma, text3. Then you can just hit enter. You can see parking care female 45, and if we scroll down, you can see how it combines, it joins all text that they were in different columns into one column. However, you can see we don't have a space among the variables, like Perkins case together with females together with 45. So to solve this, that's why we use text join. Text join allows you to put comma or to put spaces between the join the text. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope the video and the sessions of this video have reached you, and I encourage you to perform further analysis.